In this video, I'm gonna show you a quick and easy keto salad recipe. It's a keto avocado salad with rainbow chard. Wash 1 red pepper and a couple of leaves of rainbow chard. Cut the chard and add it to a salad bowl. Then remove the seeds from the red pepper and cut it into cubes. Cut some brie cheese. Cover the plate with salad and peppers. Then add the cheese. Cut the avocado and add a half to each plate. Then squeeze some lemon juice on top. Add extra virgin olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Add some parmesan cheese flakes. And add a handful of walnuts to each plate. That's it, your keto salad is ready. If you've enjoyed watching this keto salad recipe video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more keto science and cooking videos. I'm a keto coach Greta and I share health-related videos once or twice a week. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.